Hello, Mozen family and friends. I know it's a hard season right now with all this isolation and different things, but we wanted to come on and show you for our Mozen Craft and Recreation day. Since we can't get together personally, we can actually do this on video and show you what our craft is, and maybe you would want to do it with your children at home. So today we're actually doing our Find It or I Spy bottles, hence why we have a plastic clear bottle. We have, of course, the cover, and we had, this was actually a spaghetti bottle, spaghetti sauce bottle. We have our bowl of rice, okay, and we have all these little images here in front that you're gonna put in the bottle with the rice to do your Find It game or your I Spy game. The camera is actually to take a picture of our items so that the children can follow the images on the picture, which I'm gonna take now. Let's see here. You do not have to do this with the Polaroid camera. You can actually do this with your digital cameras at home on the phone. While this is clearing out, while that's clearing out, we're gonna leave it there. But you can also take a picture with your digital cameras at home and print them out with your home printer. Or you can also write it on a piece of paper what each item is, and they can look for it in that way. So there's different ways of doing it, and just be creative with it. So as you can see, my helpers are here, and they're gonna start by putting rice in the bottle. So Mimi, can you start putting rice in the bottle? Put some rice, go ahead. Can Tuti hold that for her? Yep. Good job. And what she's gonna do is she's gonna fill the bottle with rice, probably like an inch. Okay, pick it up. That's good. And now they can put the first item in there. Go ahead, put one item in. And she's gonna continue. Go ahead, hold that to fill up the bottle with rice. Go ahead, put more rice. More rice, Mimi. It can get a little messy, but keep a vacuum in handy. Here you go. Keep putting. Ooh. Oh, no, that's too messy. Here we go. Okay. You want to put an item now? Okay, get down. Go ahead. Go get an item. Go ahead. Put an item next. There you go. Keep going. Egan, if you want to put the rice, and I'll give her the next item. Hold on to it. When we're ready, you put it. You might want to hold it over this, because then it's... Good job. Tuti, put on the next item. Go ahead. Keep putting. Go ahead. She put one in there already. Oh. And as they put rice in, sure, you can put the next item. Here we go. Go ahead, Egan. Find another item to put in there. Go ahead, Mimi. Put the item in.
Oh, I want to get the kernel.
Go ahead. That's it. Okay, let them put a few. You don't want to fill it up with rice and not have all these items in there. So make sure that you get to put all the items in before they fill it up with rice. They're actually going to shake it all around anyway, so it's going to get all mixed in there. Are you good here? I'll put more items. There we go. We'll push these back, Mimi, for you.
Now put the rest of the items. Yeah, let's just put the rest of the items. You sure the can will fit? Yeah, it'll fit. Let me push the crayon.
Dip it in. So they put an actual blue crayon. So he's pushing it in.
You should have just cut it.
You put all the items in?
I know.
Good job. Yep, you can do it. Tuti, let her do one too. Okay, Mommy. Go ahead, Mimi. Put the rest. Fill it up.
But don't you need to shake it?
So we actually found about 20, I believe it was 21 or 22 items. And this is I guess a medium-sized bottle, so it's good enough. You can do them bigger if you want. That's good. Good, guys. And cover it up. And there you go. So pretty much as they shake, I'm actually just shaking it to try to hide the items. Some items you will still see, but as you shake it, things should vary down.
That clam I think is really big.
And as you shake the items, you can see here. Can you demonstrate? Like shake and start finding. They can actually look at the picture and try to find the items on the picture. I might do this again a little closer so that they can see the items a lot clearer. Okay, so pretty much that's it, guys. You can actually tape. You can actually tape if you want to do it that way. Tape the picture on the bottle and then label it Find It Game or I Spy Game, you know, and do it that way as well. They can decorate the bottle if they like. Of course, not too much because you don't want to cover, you know, you need the clear bottle to actually see the items in there. And as you can tell, a lot of it is coming out. And as you shake, they keep coming out to the edge. And that's the whole point of the game. And it's fun, it's creative, and it'll keep them busy for a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And try it out. See how it works. Let us know. Bye. Have a great day.